Tagalog English phrases for work. Kailangan mong tapusin yan. You need to finish that. Malilate ako. I'm going to be late. Pasensya na. Late ako. I'm sorry, I'm late. Paano ito gagawin? How to do this? Tapusin mo yan ngayon. Finish that today. Ipagpatuloy mo lang yan. Keep up the good work. Bilisan mo. Hurry up. Huwag kang mahihiyang magtanong kung may tanong ka. Don't hesitate to ask if you have a question. May meeting tayo sa Lunes. We have a meeting on Monday. Kausapin mo ang ating manager. Talk to our manager.